Let's see how to check the iPad battery health with computer. In the first step, tap on Settings. After that, go to Battery. Next, select Battery Health and Charging. In the next step, connect iPad to a PC using a USB wire. Now open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Later, find and pick your iPad. In the next step, click on Summary or General option. Then search for battery info or cycle details. Now view maximum capacity percentage. In the next step, press Command and space on Mac, then type system information. After that, on Windows, press Windows and R, type SIMD and hit Enter. After that, type and execute the right command for battery details. In the next step, compare maximum capacity with a fresh battery. Now, if cycle details show a high count, battery health may be lower. After that, a battery check may be needed if performance drops. You are good to go.